no! What happened to you? And look at this place. It's full of rubbish and smoke. Today, we are going to learn about pollution. So what is pollution? Rubbish? Smoke? Smelly things? Noise? Well, yes. Pollution is when something is added to the environment that is harmful or poisonous to living things. Us humans and animals are actually living things. Let's look at the types of pollution. There is air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Let's look into each type of pollution one by one. First, air pollution. Air pollution is when air gets dirty because of different kinds of gases and other pollutants. It makes us difficult to breathe. So what causes air pollution? Smoke and gases from cars, smoke and gases from factories, smoke and gases from forest fires, all these release many kinds of dangerous gases, such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and other harmful chemicals. These gases can cause various health problems, such as coughing and sneezing, redness, runny nose, edema, and itching. Make sure to look out for these symptoms like runny nose, too much tears from the eyes, upset stomach, and rash on the skin. If you happen to have these symptoms in a public place, leave that place immediately. Now let's learn about water pollution. Water pollution is when water bodies are contaminated by chemicals, wastes, dirty particles, and other objects. Every day, thousands of wastes are dumped into the sea. These are mainly caused by toxic and chemical wastes discharged from industries. Oil leaked from ships, plastics, and other wastes produced by humans. Now, what happens when the water is polluted? Water pollution is dangerous to both humans and sea animals. Polluted water hurts sea animals. Let's look at some examples. This poor little seal's head is tied by a rope. Oh no! This turtle is struggling to get away from this plastic bag because it's blocking its way. That's terrible. Poor seal mama got trapped in a net near the shore. And so is this baby penguin. This bird's body is covered by the oil leaked from the ship. The oil is very heavy, and the bird can't fly anymore. And this innocent dolphin could no longer stay alive because the water was too dirty to live in. This is really sad. Besides hurting sea animals, water pollution can also be very dangerous for us. Consuming polluted water by accident can cause many health problems, such as diarrhea, stomach ache, or even cancer. Now let's move on to land pollution. Land pollution is when the land surface, meaning the soil, is damaged by solid and liquid wastes. It is caused by toxic and chemical waste discharged from factories and industries. Toxic and chemical wastes go deep into the soil and remain there for a very long time. Slowly, they make the soil unhealthy and kill all the plants above it, causing the soil to become infertile. Infertile soil is when plants and crops can no longer grow in it. Infertile soil upsets especially the farmers because they can't grow fruits and vegetables for us anymore. Now this may lead to a shortage of food supply, especially in poor countries like Africa. Now, what can we do to control pollution? Well, there is a list of things that we can do to help improve the environment and stop the pollution from getting worse. If the distance isn't too far, we can choose to either walk or ride a bike to travel from one place to another. This can help to reduce the release of smoke and gases from cars. We can follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. We can reduce the amount of electricity and water that we use every day. We can also reuse our shopping bags to create less waste. And finally, we can recycle. We can recycle by separating the wastes and throwing them into the correct bin. For example, plastics into the plastic bin, metal into the metal bin, glass into the glass bin, paper into the paper bin, and other wastes into the organic bin. We can find these recycling bins nearby our home. Each bin have a different color lid: green for glass, brown for plastic, yellow for metals, and blue for paper. We can also join some environmental protection activities organized by schools and government, such as tree planting and beach cleaning. Let's all work together to save the planet we live in. Thank you for watching.